Good morning, friend. We are discussing about the Vision Eyes 5 questions. Let's discuss the first question. First question is related to the priority saying they're asking about the expression Union of India under Article 1 of the Indian Constitution is a wider in meaning than the expression that are given territory of India. Is it number first? It mean that the Union of India is much more bigger than the territory of whole India. As per Article 1. Number second, India can acquire foreign territory through secession only. So, India can acquire foreign territory. If you wanted to acquire the foreign territory, might be, for example, you can take the example of Puducherry at the same point of time. Goa, you can say. And third, you can see is if you wanted to acquire the China, if, for example, then the secession is only be an means and ways to achieve these things. So, you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Again, repeat the question for the better understanding of the whole expression. Number first statement of the polity question is the expression Union of India under Article 1 of the Indian Constitution is wider in meaning than the expression Union Territory of India. Second, India can acquire foreign territory through secession only, and you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the Sargasso Sea that are already in asked question. That it means that it is already asked question in UPSC CSE 2015, I think so. Sargasso Sea that are often associated with the following oceans. Basically, Sargasso Sea, where it is present, basically the question is like that: Indian Ocean, second is Antarctica Ocean, number third is Atlantic Ocean, number fourth is Pacific Ocean, and you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next question. Consider the following pair: theatre form and state area they are associated with the Bahona, Bhaona, Bahona, that is it is associated with Maharashtra, Tamasha, Uttar Pradesh, and Dashavatar from Goa. And you have to choose the correct option from the given option. First, third, second, third, first, second, third. I can repeat the question for the better understanding of the oral question and the meaning of it. Theatre form that are associated with the following state: Bahona in Maharashtra, Tamasha from Uttar Pradesh, and Dashavatar from Goa. And you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the responsionist. Which of the following statement is correct regarding them? And this question is from the modern history basically. Number 5, they were against any form of association with the government. Whenever some political party or some ideal or individual that can associate with the government or British government basically, then they can be called as responsionist. Second, Motilal Nehru was one of its prominent leader in this category of the responsionist. What do you mean by responsionist? It is the group of people that are stand with the Hindu religion as such. And you have the option like that. Let's see the next question. I can repeat the question. Just a minute. With reference to the responsionist, which of the following statement is correct? They were against any form of association with the government. Number second, Motilal Nehru was one of its prominent leader in this category. First, second, and neither one, neither two. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the environment section. And we are asking about incineration is a method of the waste disposal. What is its advantage? What is the reason of we are using incineration technique so that we can burn off the waste disposal? Number first, it is a non-polluting process. Second, it facilitates the recycling of the waste material when we are doing this process or phenomena. First, second, both first and second, neither one, neither two. I can repeat the question for the better understanding of the question. Incineration is a method of waste disposal. What is its advantage? Number first is it is a non-polluting process. Second, it is facilitate the recycling of the material. Is it? And option are in front of it. Let's see the answer of the first question. Answer of the first question, neither one, neither two. The expression Union of India is much more bigger as per article. No, territory of India is much more bigger because in the Union of India, there is a consideration like this. But it is not correct because territory of India is a wide expression because the territorial water is also included in the territory of India. But Union of India is nothing but a type of all the state and union territory. They can jointly when they are occurring, then they is called as Union of India. Let's see what the reason is said. Because the later include, for example, Union of India include only state, while the former include not only the state but also the union territory and territory that may be acquired by the government of India at any future of time. But territorial water also be included in that. Do remember this fact in territory of India. Second is not correct. India can acquire foreign territory through accession only. No, that is not the case. Being a sovereign state, India can acquire foreign territory according to the modes recognized by the international law. For example, secession. For example, what do you mean secession? In this following treaty, purchase, gift, lease, plebiscite are also mentioned. Next, the occupation, hitherto unoccupied by an unrecognized ruler, conquest or subjugation can be the reason of acquiring the territory. Sargasso Sea, you know very well, it is the most famous sea where the Sargasso type of grass is found there, and it is a type of fern that are found at that time where the hot ocean current and cold ocean current meet, and it is the best ground for the production of fisheries. Let Atlantic Ocean it is found. In the middle of Atlantic Ocean with the ring of the ocean current, there is a area where no perceptible current is found. A large amount of floating seaweeds garner and the whole sea is called the Sargasso Sea. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the following. Bhona, that is I think from Gujarat. So first is not correct. Tamasha is from Maharashtra. That is not correct here. Dashavtar Goa, that is correct. So third only answer hai. First is not correct. Bhona is a presentation of Ankiya, not of Assam. Sorry, Bhona is from Assam. And Shankaracharya is associated with this type of theatre that are present there in the form of they tell the story with of Krishna, Lord Krishna basically. In Bhona, cultural glimpse of Assam is seen. Bengal of Odisha, Mathura, Vrindavan can be seen, and some of the element of other form of doing the theatre is taken in the Bhona. The Sutradhar or narration begin with the story. First they are played in Sanskrit and then either in Braj Boli or Assamese that also can be performed by the players. Tamasha is the traditional folk theatre of the Maharashtra. It has evolved from the folk forms such as the Gondhai, Jargon, Kirtan, unlike other theatre forms. Tamasha, the female actor is the chief exponent of the dance proponent in a play. So do remember this fact. Here, female actress is the chief exponent of dance movement in the play. She is known as a Murki. Classical music, footwork at lightning speed and vivid gesture make it possible to portray all the emotion through dance. So second is not correct. Dashavtar is the most developed theatre from the Konkan hand over region. The performance personify the 10 incarnation of Lord Vishnu, the god of the preservation and creativity. The 10 incarnation of the Matsya, Kurma, Varsha, Narasimha, Vaman, Parshuram, Buddha and Kalki. Apart from the stylized makeup, the Dashavtar performer wear mask of wood and papyr making. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the responsionist. I think both are incorrect. Yes, neither one, neither two. Because the first statement is said like they were against for any form of association with the government. That is not correct. Motilal Oswal, no, that is much more ahead. It is a secular leader basically. So both are correct. By the mid 1920s, the Swaraj Party was split by communalism because of the 1917 Bolshevik revolution happened in Russia, and that is a spillover effect of this revolution in the Russia to India, where the many communist leaders from other part of India get spared the expose the idea with the communalism. Anyway, the Swaraj Party was split by communalism. Group known as the Responsionists, including Madan Mohan Malviya, Lala Lajpat Rai and N.C. Kalkar. Do remember these three names that are associated with a type of Responsionist type of a group offered cooperation to the government so that they called the Hindu interest might be safeguarded. The main aim here is to safeguard the Hindu interest. Motilal Nehru was not part of the Responsionists. I already told you that Madan Mohan Malviya, Lala Lajpat Rai and N.C. Kalkar were the part, but not Motilal Nehru because he is not a Responsionist and he is a very much of secular nature. Then they are accused of Motilal Nehru of letting down Hindus of being Hindu. मतलब क्या है कि वो एंटी हिंदू थे ऐसा माना जाता था उस टाइम पे. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the environment section as usual. Which of the following incineration advantage of the waste disposal if we are using? What is the advantage of the whole process? It facilitates recycling the waste material. That is correct because it requires the dry waste so that they can convert it into energy, but the wet waste and that cannot be, that can be recycled here, and many things from these waste is used for the recycled purpose and that they gave to the original company. In here it is non-polluting process. No, it is not pollution is occurred here. Incineration is a waste disposal or waste treatment process that involves the combustion of the organic substances combined in waste material. Incineration and other high temperature waste treatment system are described as thermal treatment. Incineration of the waste material convert the waste into ash, flue gas and heat. It produces various pollutants like fly ash, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen chloride and organic acid. So first statement is not correct. Many of the waste material like glass or metal can be recovered after burning of the waste and then can be recycled. So statement second is correct. And by this we are ending the session. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much for